What is it? Is it your factory, recycling factory?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Wait, I will now show. This tube is collecting garbage and put it downstairs. And this is the tubes that collecting from the downstairs waste already started to the plastic, cans to cans, plastic to plastic. You can read
The labels.
to the labels where it is recycling, glass to glass and paper to paper. You can read here what is here is water, and this tube is collecting. You see all waste to the water, and then this waste goes. This water that I told you, there's all garbage, and it is going to landfill. And water is staying, only garbage go out to landfill. And here is we have garbage, and from there it is going here too. Here is the soil, the human beings that are working here, they water the plants every day. They are eating these plants because they don't have anything to eat. They are eating plants, water them every day. Goodbye.